What are you doing, Cashton?
Picture. I only clothes in it.
You are not supposed to be in the dryer, Cashton.
No dryer.
You need to get out of there.
Dryer there.
You got your shoes in there. Take your shoes out of there.
Okay. Shoe. There. Help. I need help. Maybe help and then close them and locked. Is bye.
You need to stay out of the dryer, buddy.
Dryer.
Hey.
This is dryer. Maybe it's right here. And it's to be big. No, it's dryer.
I don't think you're supposed to be in there, buddy.
It's what's in it.
Cashton.
Ah.
Hi.
Lights off. Light on.
The lights are on. Come on, let's get out.
Ow!
Hello.
No.
Hello. You need to get out of the dryer.
Yeah. Out here. Out here.
You stay out of here.
That.
Come on.
Okay.
Say later, dryer.